So has someone ever sent you a data set with a ton of blank rows? As if they think you have nothing better to do than to sit here and delete a bunch of blank rows. Well, I'm going to show you how to delete all those blank rows in no time. Step number one is to go ahead and highlight the data in your data set. On the Home tab, you're going to go ahead and navigate to Find and Select. And then once you click on that menu, go ahead and select Go to Special. Here we're going to click on blanks and then OK. As you can see here, it has highlighted all of my blank rows. Now, on the Home tab as well, go ahead and click on Delete, and then go ahead and select Delete Sheet Rows. And just like that, you too can tech, y'all. Did y'all see? This data set originally had about 787 rows, but only, let's see, 394 of those rows actually contain data. And by using the go to special and delete functions, I'm able to immediately delete all my blank rows. So you guys go ahead and like this video, try this out, and let me know how it works for you.